name is Victor Chino Ramisi. I'm a former street boy. I'm the face behind an initiative that is known as Check. Politics is about self-interest. And the truth is, when the campaign season starts, they give us money.
The problem we have is that quite a number of political leaders come with vested interests. They want to use their positions for personal gain, and as a result, they come up with quite a number of false theories that don't work. We tell every arm of government, every institution of government to work within its lane. And that's what the Constitution requires. If the judiciary were to go to the lane of the executive, we will have anarchy, and vice versa. In most cases, the executive doesn't want to confine itself to its lane. And that's where the problems are. And the system we have is very good. The constitution we have is very good. The problem we have is that people don't want to be honest and do what is required.